So let's begin the video. First, you need to open the CapCut, create new project, and open any project from here. For example, I'm choosing this random project. I need to set its auto to 0. There you go. So after that, you need to select the project. For example, if I want my project to zoom in from this section, okay, so I will press B and the cutter option will come on. I'll make a cut here. Then I'll zoom a little bit for your clarity. Then I press A for the normalized circle cursor, sorry, and there I need to zoom my video from here. I need to click the video on the cut side and I need to go on scale. After the scale, I need to go a little bit forward here, little bit forward from the cut. There you go. Then here I need to press this section here. You can see add keyframe. Here you go. The keyframe is here. You need to select the keyframe and select the start frame where you need to start it. For example, I need to start my keyframe here. Here I need this keyframe and I need to zoom here. I need to zoom here and then press enter. After that, I need to put the cursor behind a little bit, and here I need to add another keyframe here. You can see in this section I have scaled as zoom. In this section I have scaled as this. Here the zoom will start and here the zoom will end. There you go. Here the zoom will start, here the zoom will end. I'll show you. Zoom will start and zoom will end. There you go. Again, zoom will start and zoom will end. I'll show you in the another example. So here, if I want my keyframe to start from here, I need to make a cut here. Made a little cut here. After that, I need to press A for the normal circle. Here I need to choose the video which I choose after the cut, and I need to put a little bit forward here. I need to zoom here, and then I need to press add keyframe here. Then I need to start the zoom here. Here I need to start the zoom from this scale, and I need to get behind till this, and I need to add the zoom here. End the zoom here. There you go. Here the zoom will be ended to normal 100. There you go. Now if I play the video will look like this. There's keyframe, I did the zoom, and it will go little bit behind from the zoom. There you go. Zooming is finished. So this was it about the video.